Hey class, I just wanted to post a quick video as I was grading the first Google Earth assignment. Looked like there was some lack of clarity on how to put a place mark and particularly how to save your work. So I'm just going to go through that real quick. So to start up, do a place mark, you just click on the yellow pin up here and then you can drag and drop it. We'll put it up here and then you can name it. Change the look of it. Let's do that one. And then in here you can put all the text hyperlinks in here. Just cut and paste images into this box here. And put all the information about your pin in here. Now once you hit OK, that is now saved over here under temporary places. It's only saved temporarily though. If you close Google Earth, your temporary places will be purged. So in order to save your work, you now have to go to this test pin here and right click on it and then go to Save Place As. Some people were having some confusion and instead they were right clicking up here and doing a Save Place As for My Places and submitting that, which is not the actual pin. It's all the information that's under My Places. Now anything under your temporary places, you can right click and save to My Places. Then it'll be permanently saved up here, and when you close Google Earth and open it back up, it'll still be here. But if you just want to submit one pin for an assignment, you have to right click on that pin here, not on the whole folder that it's in. It's right in this folder now. So you don't want to submit this whole folder, you just want to submit this pin. Now later you're going to be asked to submit a series of pins to give sort of a tour of your national park. So those will all be placed under one folder, and in that case, since you're submitting a series of pins as a tour, you'll right click on the folder and do a save place as and save the whole folder as a KMZ file. And that way when you submit that and I open it up on my end, it'll pop up into Google Earth as a series of pins in a folder. But for other assignments where you're just being asked to drop a pin on, say, an area of mass wasting or drop a pin on your home state, those type of assignments, you're just submitting the one place mark or pin. And so how you do that is you right click on the one place, not on the folder, do Save Place As. You see it's going to be a KMZ file here. I'm just going to save it to my desktop as test pin. And then when you go to the class web page, go to the assignment where you're going to submit your KMZ file, add file, go to where the file is located. In this case, I put it on my desktop, so I would go to my computer and navigate to my desktop folder, and then I would upload it. So that's the process for placing, editing, and saving individual pins. I'll have a video later in the course to show you how to do the folder with a whole route and with a series of pins. But that's it for now. Thanks a lot.